It is time to get those jingle bells jingling. We are going to find middle C, find the group of two black keys, and right here is the note C. That is our middle C. We're going to place our thumb right here. The first note we'll play is with finger number 3, and this note is E. So you have C, D, E, F, G. These are the notes you'll need in the right hand. Again, they are C, D, E, F, and G. The left hand, take your thumb. Here's a group of two black keys again. This is C, D, E, F, and G. You'll need the G in the left hand, and then you'll reach up and also play A sometimes during this song. So you have G and A. Here's the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, 3. Reach up for A. 2, 3, 4. Reach down for B. This is B. 2, 3, 4. Reach up for A. 2, 3. Repeat the Jingle Bells part again. So I want to caution you about the fingering in the song. Here are the things to watch out for. The beginning, dashing. This is all in home position. Reach up for A. Stay there and play A again. Reach down for B. Back in our home position again. Reach up for A. New position. Pay very close attention to what you just saw. Have a good time.